Hi, my name is Summer. I'm a Business Development Account Manager, also known as the Sales Hunter. I'm a true believer in digital space and have been Schneider's Digital Service Ambassador, who is eager to change the energy management landscape to help accelerate digital journeys for our customers. I also work with colleagues who make my job more enjoyable.
You may think that as an engineer, all I do is fix test inspect system, but at Schneider Electric, technology runs in our vein. We also work with various IoT and analytics systems. It makes my work more meaningful. It also highlights one of our core values, which is customer first. I also work with amazing colleagues like Abbas, who support great things to be happen behind the scenes.
Thank you very much, Julie, for putting the spotlight on me. As a digital services architect, my main goal is to engage customers from a very early stage, understand what are their requirements, and then develop solutions that help address the customer's needs. One of the core values at Schneider is to learn every day. And to this end, Schneider has an online learning platform which offers courses related to technical, commercial, as well as various different soft skills, and it's open to all of our employees. When we are developing complex solutions for customers, we have a strong focus on collaboration between cross-functional teams. You are pretty much guaranteed to learn something new every single day.
There are several team bonding events are memorable. We went to rock climbing together, and also we get to be volunteers at Winning Hearts. I always look forward to our weekly run along Kallang River, especially the chit-chat after the run, which makes me feel better about myself after the whole working day. The services team is like a family to me, where I get to work with colleagues from different functions with different backgrounds to achieve the success of the whole team. If you are someone who likes to make real impact, dares to disrupt, and have a passion in sustainability and digitalization, the team is perfect for you. So, you who is watching this, maybe we can make perfect colleagues.